Good morning to all. Welcome to Exam Tricks YouTube channel. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஜெனரல் நாலேஜ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஹிஸ்டரி, ஜியோகிராஃபி, பாலிட்டி எல்லா क्वेश्चन பார்த்தாச்சு. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பார்த்தாச்சு. 1000 क्वेश्चन இருக்கு. இப்போ ஜியோகிராஃபி பார்க்க போறோம். ஜியோகிராஃபி ஆல்ரெடி 4-5 வீடியோ பார்த்தாச்சு. டோட்டல் 1000 क्वेश्चन இருக்கு. எல்லா ஐபிபிஎஸ், ஆர்ஆர்பி, எஸ்எஸ்சி, யூபிஎஸ்சி, டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி, ரிசர்வ் பேங்க் ஆஃப் இந்தியா, ரயில்வே ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் போர்டு எல்லா எக்ஸாமுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும். யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க.
Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which is the largest island in the Indian Ocean? Madagascar. 2. Which hot dry local winds that blow on the eastern side of the Alps mountain? 4 and 3. What is the best representative of the acid igneous rocks? Granite. 4. In which state is Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary located? Karnataka. 5. Which island of India is an active volcano found? Barren Island. 6. Which city will never get the vertical rays of the sun? Srinagar. 7. National Research Center on Plant Biotechnology is situated at which place? New Delhi. 8. The largest coal reserves of India are found in which state? Jharkhand. 9. Why was Farakka barrage commissioned? Safe Kolkata Port. 10. Which is called Herring Pond? Atlantic Ocean. 11. Which soils developed on transported sediments? Lithosols. 12. The longest circle which can be drawn on the Earth's surface passes through where? Equator. 13. Which phenomenon gives an evidence for the spherical shape of the Earth? Lunar eclipse. 14. Factory farming is the characteristic of which region? Northwestern Europe. 15. From which direction do summer rains in Australia broadly decreases? North to south. 16. Indian Standard Meridian passes through which states? Up, MP, Orissa and AP. 17. The eastern coast of India is known by which name? Coromandel Coast. 18. Summer solstice in the southern hemisphere occurs in which month? December. 20 to 19. At where do the eastern Ghats and the western Ghats meet? Nilgiri Hills. 20. Which Pass is the highest peak of India? Kanchenjunga. 21. When does the sun reaches its maximum angular distance from the equator? At the solstice. 22. When does the South Pole experiences continuous light? At winter solstice. 23. Solankis were the rulers of which state? Gujarat. 24. Where are the most of the Japanese industries are located? On the Hokkaido coast. 25. Which is a landlocked country? Hungary. 26 9-degree channels separate which regions? Lakshadweep and Minik 27. Lakshadweep Islands are the product of which creature? Reef formation 28. Which oil fields of India is the oldest and still producing oil? Digboy 29. In which state are Namachik Namphuk coalfields located? Arunachal Pradesh 30. Which place gets the least rainfall? Jodhpur. Remove watermark 1. Watermark 1 PDF element. General Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which latitude passes through India? Tropic of Cancer 2. The Earth turns through 360 degrees in 24 hours. How much time does each 15 degrees longitude represent? 1 hour. 3. When it is noon along 82 degrees 30 longitude, along what degree of longitude it will be 6:30 am? 0 degree E or W. 4. Which plate movement is responsible for the formation of mid-ocean ridge? Divergent movement 5. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Pamir Plateau 6. Which organization prepares topographical maps of India? Geographical Survey of India 7. The latitudes that pass through Sikkim also pass through which state? Rajasthan 8. Who are more likely to get tapeworms? Pork eaters 9. The time at Cairo is 2 hours ahead of Greenwich. Hence, where is it located? 30 degrees C longitude 10. The Dalhousie power station is based on which river? Chenab 11. Which mineral is essential for controlling heartbeat? Iodine 12. India is the world's largest producer as well as the consumer of which crops? Pulse 13. When it is 8 p.m. in Tokyo, what is the time at Panama Canal, which is located at 180 degrees W of it? 8 am. 14. Through which group of countries does the equator pass? Colombia, Kenya and Indonesia. 15. The removal of rock, layer by layer due to weathering, what is called? Exfoliation. 16. Which is the main difference between the Western and Eastern Ghats? Continuity. 17. Which new alluvial deposits found in the Gangetic Plain? Qadar. 18. Which set of types actions occur in arid topography? Attrition, corrosion, abrasion. 19. How many times in a year sun shines vertically on the equator? Twice a year. 20. The distance between the earth and the sun is smallest in which month? January. 21. To which group do the Tiavanbales of central and southern India belong? Proto-Australoids. 22. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which state? Gujarat. 23. When is the volcanic eruption most likely to be violent? When the lava is viscous. 24. Which type of volcanic eruptions is not usually explosive? Hawaiian. 25. When it is 9 o'clock in London, it will be the same time in which country? Ghana. 26. Why does the international dateline deflects to a side? to avoid alluvion. Islands 27. Where are the islands of Seychelles located? Indian Ocean 28. Suez Canal joins which two sea? Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea 29. Under which climatic conditions do the laterite soils develop? Wet tropical climate 30. Which country in Africa has luxurious tropical rain forests? Ivory Coast. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General Studies. Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. The latitude of a place expresses its angular position relative to which line? Equator 2. General Studies. General Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which is called Herring Pond? Atlantic Ocean 2. In which latitudes are the seasonal contrasts maximum? Mid-latitudes 3. The equator cuts through which islands? Borneo 4. Which last atmospheric layer has an altitude greater than 80 kilometers? Thermosphere 5. Who was first to measure the circumference of the Earth? Eratosthenes 6. What is the position of a planet when it is nearest to the Sun? Perihelion 7. How much is the portion of the Earth's surface covered with water roughly? 2/3. Which oceans does not have a north-south submarine ridge? Pacific Ocean 9. Which alloy is used for making magnets for hearing aids? Alnico 10. Which is a type of planetary wind? Westerlies 11. Which is the biggest port in India? Mumbai 12. The monsoon has well-developed cycle in which area? South and Southeast Asia 13. In India, how many states share the coastline? 9/14. Which state of India has the oldest rock formations in the country? Karnataka. 15. The concept of carbon credit The concept of carbon credit originated from which protocol? Kyoto Protocol 16. The daily and annual range of temperature is minimum in which area? Hot Desert 17. Which is the first national park established in India? Corbett 18. What speed of rotation of the Earth? 9.72 kilometers per second. 19 Kiel Canal connect which seas? Baltic Sea and North Sea 20. Why are in the northern hemisphere currents deflected to their right? due to Coriolis Force 21. Which region is leading producer of both variety of diamond in the world? Zaire 22. Shyok is a tributary of which river? Indus 23. El current appears along the coast of which country? Peru 24. Which scientist studied about wheat rust problem? K.C. Mehta 25. Teesta forms a part of which major river system? Brahmaputra 26. What is the name of very violent and serious types of winds which bring lot of disaster? Hurricane. 27. What is the minimum forest cover to maintain ecological balance? 33%. 28. What is the most important factor in thunderstorms development? Atmospheric instability. 29. Why do the clouds float in the atmosphere? Because of their low temperature. 30. Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which is a free-living bacteria that help in nitrogen fixation? Azotobacter 2. In which city is Charminar situated? Hyderabad 3. What is grown in field by their plantlet? Onion 4. What is the line on a weather map joining all places of equal pressure called? Isobar 5. The tornadoes are very strong tropical cyclones originating in which sea? Caribbean Sea. 6. Which is the world's largest synthetic rubber and tire making center? Akron. 7. Which is the world's largest producer of wool? Australia. 8. Which river is known as India's river of sorrow? Kosi. 9. In which state is Jog Falls located? Karnataka. 10. The high-altitude tropical forest which has dwarf trees is known by which name? ELFM forest. 11. In equatorial regions, how is the temperature between July and January? The same. 12. Because of which factor clouds do not precipitate in deserts? Low humidity. 13. The albedo of which cloud is the highest? Cirrus cloud. 14. Which is the second highest peak in the world? K-2, Godwin Austen. 15. For crop does India have the largest cultivated area in the world? Rice. 16. What the wind is deflected due of the rotation of the earth? Geostropic wind. 17. Which type of climate is known for the maximum diurnal range of temperature? Hot desert. 18. Which state it stands first in the length of roads in the country? Maharashtra. 19. Which characteristic is not found in the convectional rainfall? Drizzling. 20. Which groups of items contains only biodegradable items? Wood, grass, leather. 21. Where is Copacabana Beach located? Rio de Janeiro. 22. Masses of stars and galaxies are usually expressed in terms of which mass? Solar mass. 23. In which hemisphere does India lie? Northern and eastern. 24. What is the largest ecosystem of the earth? Hydrosphere. 25. Which is present in the largest amount in terms of percent by mass in the Earth's crust? Oxygen. 26. What will be the shortest day in Australia? 21 June. 27. Which city in India never experiences vertical rays of the sun during noon? New Delhi. 28. Which is the most of India's rainfall? Cyclonic. 29. Which grasslands not support any trees? Steppes. 30. Which was known as Chalcolithic Age? Copper Stone Age. Remove watermark Wondershare PDF element. General Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which industry in India was worst affected because of the partition? Jute and cotton. 2. Which is produced by rain-water action? Gully. 3. Which started the cultivation of potatoes in Europe? Spanish. 4. In which form can the cultivable land be defined? Total fallow land plus net sown land. 5. What is known as soil-free farming? Hydroponics. 6. The biggest producer of rice is China. 7. Which is the best variety of cotton in the world? Sea Island. 8. Commercially important cotton fiber is epidermal pores of seeds. 9. What is the most important edible crop of Australia? Wheat. 10. Which countries is not an exporter of tea? United Kingdom. 11. The largest producer of coffee in the world is Brazil. 12. Which is the biggest coffee producing country in the world? Brazil. 13. Which determines the quality of agro-products? Agmark. 14. I.R.20 is a high-yielding variety of which of the following's rice? 15. The region, famous for various types of wine and champagne, is Mediterranean Sea. 16. Which country produces the maximum amount of timber? United States of America. 17. The flower bud which is used as spice is obtained from clove. 18. In which country slash and burn agriculture is known as milpa? Mexico and Central America. 19. The study of the processes of atmosphere is called as meteorology. 20. Which deplates the UV radiation on Earth? Ozone. 21. The layer of atmosphere which reflects radio waves is ionosphere. 22. To which height the gaseous surroundings has covered the Earth's atmosphere? 300 kilometers. 23. The heat from Sun to Earth is called as solar radiation. 24. In which layer temperature increases dramatically? Ionosphere. 25. Troposphere is the most warm part of the atmosphere because it gets warm from the heat of the surface of the Earth. 26. The ozone hole is detected in the atmosphere. Where is it located? Above Antarctica. 27. Where is ozone layer found? Stratosphere. 28. Earth summit was organized by UNST. UNST 29. The type of rain in humid equatorial climate is convectional 30. Due to heavy rain, Mediterranean region is known in winter. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General studies. Geography. System question answer 1. The deepest surface depression on Earth is Mariana Trench 2. Where is world's deepest trench? Mariana Trench, located in Pacific Ocean 3. Where is Sunda Trench, Indian Ocean 4? Which lakes is known as Honeymoon Lake, Titicaca 5. Stagnated water in the surface of lake is known as Hypolneon 6. Which of the following sea is landlocked? Aral Sea 7. Marine cliffs are formed mainly due to ocean currents 8. What is the narrow strip which connects two water bodies or sea or ocean? Strait 9. Coast of Norway is an example of fjord. Coast 10. Which is a tropical ocean current? Gulf Stream 11. Find the odd Dead Sea 12. What is Coral Island? Terrestrial Sea 13. The headland in sea is called Peninsula 14. Which separates Asia and North America? Bering Strait 15. Which ocean currents is not found in Atlantic Ocean? Peru Current 16. In which of the oceans is Sargasso Sea? Atlantic Ocean 17. Mongla Port is located in Bangladesh. 18. Which is known as the roof of the world? Pamir Mountains. 19. The narrow strip of land joining two land masses is called as Isthmus 20. Which borderline separates India from Pakistan? Radcliffe Line 21. The nations separated by MC Mohan Line are China and India. 22. Himalayan mountain range is an example of which of the following fold mountains? 23. Which cities is known as Eternal City? Rome. 24. Which is the largest desert of the world? Sahara. 25. In which part of Africa Sahara Desert is located? Northern. 26. Which is the largest desert of the world? Sahara. 27. The lake created by Aswan Dam in Africa is Nasser. 28. Indian desert is known as Thar. 29. Which cities is the capital of desert country? Mali. Bamako. 30. Which is the largest country in area? Russia. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General studies. Geography. System question answer 1. India's neighbor country with minimum area is Bhutan. 2. New name of Burma is Myanmar and its capital is Naypyidaw 3. Corsica Island is related to Napoleon Bonaparte 4. Heligoland is an archipelago of which of the following nations Germany 5. Dark continent is Africa 6. Tinbigha corridor connects Bangladesh and India 7. Greenland is the largest island of the world. It is an integral part of Denmark 8. Which is the largest island of the world? Greenland 9. Which country shares the longest border with India? Bangladesh 10. Which is the smallest, in area, member of United Nations? Seychelles 11. Which is the smallest country, in population? Vatican City 12. What is the modern name of Siam, Thailand 13. Which is meant by an archipelago island? 14. Famous Kruger National Park is located in South Africa. 15. The coast of which all countries are not touched by Arabian Sea? Kenya. 16. In which countries the first iron bridge was constructed? England. Peshawar is nearer to which of the following? Kibar Pass. 18. World's most humid continent is South America. 19. Where is Doldrums Belt located? Near equator. 20. Which is the largest country of the Africa? Algeria. 21. What is the capital of Rwanda? Kigali. 22. The mountain which separates Asia and Europe is Ural Mountain. 23. Which of the countries is formed of various number of islands? Indonesia. 24. Black forest is found in Germany. 25. Which is international date line? 1800. Longitude 26. What is known as high pressure subtropical latitude? Horse latitudes. 27. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Pakistan. 28. Equator does not pass through which of the following? Mexico. 29. The imaginary lines which connects places of similar height on map are contour. 30. Map showing the specialty of the surface of any area is called as relief map. Remove watermark. Wondershare PDF element. General Studies. Geography. System question answer 1. The word isenf represents the lines of equal _ cloudiness. 2. Isobar lines show pressure. 3. Which pairs is wrong? Isohate humidity. 4. The science of drawing map is called cartography. 5. What is the art and science of making maps? Cartography. 6. The alignment of the lines of beginning and end is expressed by feasibility. 7. The instrument to measure the area on maps is called planimeter. 8. What is the name of the temperate grassland of South America? Pampas. 9. Grasslands are called pampas in South America. 10. Prairies of North America are temperate grasslands. 11. Temperate grasslands of North America are known as prairie. 12. Which biomes is known as breadbasket of the world? Mid-latitude grassland. 13. Tropical grasslands are called savanna. 14. Llanos are the grassland of Ghana highland. 15. Word, step, is related to biomes grassland 16. Which resources is abiotic and renewable water 17. The best quality coal is anthracite. White coal is hydropower. 19. Which mineral is an ore of aluminium bauxite 20. The largest gold producing country in the world is Russia 21. Which countries has the 50% share of world coal deposits? America, Russia and China 22. The resources which can be used again and again are called renewable 23. Granite stone, used in construction work, is igneous rock 24. Dolomite is sedimentary rock 25. Which is largely used in cement industry, limestone 26. The headquarters of petroleum exporting countries is located in Vienna 27. Find the odd power 28. Which is the largest producer of wool in the world? China 29. Which countries is world's biggest producer of wool? Australia 30. Which is the largest producer of wool in the world? Australia. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. The largest copper producing country of Africa is Zambia 2. Which is an important copper producing country? Chile 3. Geography. Sister question answer 1. The largest copper producing country of Africa is Zambia 2. Which is an important copper producing country? Chile 3. Which industry is based on raw material? Sugar industry 4. Which geological ages is latest age? Cretaceous 5. In which countries drip irrigation is used very efficiently? Israel 6. Which separates Asia and Africa? Suez Canal 7. Who discovered South Pole? Amundsen 8. Name of Indian research station North Pole is Himadri 9. Ozone hole over Antarctica was discovered in 1985-10. The capital of South Sudan is Juba 11. Peso is the currency of which country? Mexico 12. Yen is the currency of Japan 13. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? Rial 14. Who discovered America? Columbus 15. Who discovered Cape of Good Hope in 1488? Bartholomew Diaz 16. How much part of Earth's surface is desert? 13 RD 17. Name the first Asian country reached in the orbit of Mars. India. 18. When total land is divided by total land, we get population density. 19. Density of population in any region is measured by numbers of people. 20. Which countries has the largest Muslim population? Indonesia 21. The reserved area for the conservation of wildlife is called Sanctuary 22. Which are related with lithosphere, Earth's crust 23. In which type of topography water recharge ports are found? Karst topography 24. The breaking up of the rocks at its place is known as withering. 25. Coral reefs are a specimen of tropical rainforest. 26. Pits, formed by the deflating action of wind, are called blowouts. 27. Which are metamorphic rocks, gneiss and schist. 28. Which rocks has formed the earth crust? Igneous. 29. Which is an example of abyssal igneous rock? Granite. 30. Metamorphism of shale occurs in which of the following rocks? Slate. Remove watermark. Wondershare PDF element. 123. 123. General Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. What is the incident of movement of landmass and rock falls? Landslide. 2. What is the name of the sand mound formed by high speed of wind? Dune. 3. Where does moraine form? Glacial region. 4. Which geomorphic pairs is not correct? Porcelain. 5. Soil factors are also known as edaphic factors. 6. Black soil is related to which of the following crops? Cotton. 7. What is the name of the soil? Rich in calcium pedicellate. Grey soil, like the ash of pine forest, is also known as podzol. 9. Which is the best suited soil for the cultivation of rice? Alluvial soil. 10. Red color of red soil is due to iron. 11. The soil which bleaches quickly due to rain is called laterite. 12. Which is a biomethod of soil erosion? Contour farming. 13. Plantation in a huge manner to prevent soil erosion is called shelter belts. 14. Soil erosion in desert area can be prevented. Forestation. 15. Trans-Siberian Railway connects in west to in east. St. Petersburg. Vladivostok. The terminal of Trans-Siberian Railways are St. Petersburg and Vladivostok. 17. The country with biggest rail network is USA. 18. The rank of Indian rail network in the world is 4th. 19. World's highest civilian airport is in China. 20. Which is world's largest mining port? Headland. 21. World's busiest and the most important shipping route is North Atlantic. 22. The busiest trading ocean route is Atlantic Ocean. 23. Panama Canal is different from Suez Canal because it is a lock system. 24. Which are related with Red Indian, North America. 25. Which tribes performs animal husbandry? Maasai. 26. Pale color, medium height, epicanthic eye are the characteristics of Mongoloid. 27. Milky Way galaxy was first seen by Galileo. 28. Who founded the word geography? Eratosthenes. 29. Comets moves around the sun. 30. Earth, from the Sun, is at the maximum distance on July 4th. Remove watermark. Wondershare PDF element. General Studies. Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. What is the total number of planets move around the Sun? 82. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. 3. The largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. 4. The number of satellite of Mercury is R05. What is the number of days in an year in Mercury? 88.6. Which is the nearest planet to Sun? Mercury. 7. The orbit of which planet is nearest to Sun? Mars. 8. Which celestial bodies is located farthermost to Earth? Pluto. 9. Which is the brightest planet of the solar system? Venus. 10. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus. 11. Which planet is as big as Earth in our solar system? Venus. 12. Which planet shows the phases like Moon? Venus. 13. In how many parts the shadow of Earth is divided during solar or lunar eclipse? 14. Which star is nearest to Earth? Sun. 15. On which day Earth is closest to Sun? 3rd January. 16. After Sun, which is the closest star to Earth? Proxima Centauri. The surface temperature of Sun is measured 60,000 C. The outermost layer of Sun is called as corona. 19. The energy of Sun is wasted in which process? Nuclear fusion. 20. How old is the Earth? It is decided by which processes? Radiometric dating. 21. Which is called red planet? Mars. 22. Answer the name of first Asian country to reach the orbit of Mars. India. 23. Which is called blue planet? Earth. 24. The light of Sun takes how much time to reach to Earth? 8 minutes 20 seconds. 25. The light of Sun reaches to the surface of Earth in 8 minutes 16.6 sec. 26. Synchronous satellite moves around Earth from west to east. 27. In which areas the midnight sun can be seen? Arctic and Antarctica. Circle. 28. The darkest part of the shadow during eclipse is umbra. 29. Low tides are weak. 30. Which celestial body contains helium-4 in abundance? Earth. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. Earth is tilted on its axis 23.5 degree 2. Days and nights are similar here. Equator. 3. What is supernova? Meteor. 4. Edible crops include food grains, pulses, oilseeds. 5. Practice of shifting cultivation is used in Nagaland. 6. June is a type of cultivation. 7. Which type of wheat is found in India? Bread wheat. 8. Madhya Pradesh is the biggest producer of oilseeds. 9. Step farming is performed on slopes of hills. 10. Amber the crop which is produced largely in India. Rice. 11. Which is the most arable crop in India? Rice. 12. What is the name of the largest coffee producing state in India? Karnataka. 13. In terms of money, which spice is exported most from India? Dry red chilli. 14. Crop cultivated in Zaid season is watermelon. 15. Zaid crops are substitute crops which are cropped when regular crops fail to grow. 16. State in highest production of mustard seed is Rajasthan 17. Topography of plateau is best for mining. Mining 18. Which is a cash crop in India? GROUP 19. Plantation agriculture produces plantation crops 20. The share of food crops in India's total production is almost 70%. 21. Which states is the largest wheat producing state in India? Uttar Pradesh 22. Which state is a jute abundant state? West Bengal 23. Which is the main competitor of India in jute production? Bangladesh 24. Where is the maximum area of jute production in India? West Bengal 25. What is the rank of India in milk production in the world? First 26. Turpentine oil is obtained from where? Pine tree 27. Term Green Revolution is used to show higher production of per hectare agricultural output 28. Green Revolution was most successful in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh 29. Green Revolution is related to which week? 30. Another name of Green Revolution in India is seed, fertilizer and irrigation revolution. Geography. Sister question answer 1. HYV is also known underscore in Indian New Agricultural Policy 2. Which state of India is known as Sugar Ball? Uttar Pradesh 3. Which state in India is known as Rice Ball? Andhra Pradesh 4. Which factors affects the agriculture in India? Rain 5. Operation Flood is related to which milk production? 6. White Revolution is related to milk production? 7. Area of the food crops in total area of cropping in India is 60 minus 70% 8. What is the percentage of Indian population engaged in agriculture? 60% 9. Blue Revolution is related to fish production 10. Yellow Revolution in India is related to oilseed production 11. As per the classification by Agriculture Ministry, how many agroclimatic zones are in India? 1 to 7. 12. Find the incorrect pair. Peanut. Bihar. 13. BT seed is related to cotton. 14. Social forestry is growing and managing useful plants on public land. 15. The most part of irrigated area in India is cultivated of sugarcane. 16. Which states is considered as the traditional area for tank irrigation in India? Tamil Nadu. 17. In which of the area of India non-irrigated farming is performed? Deccan Plateau. 18. What percent of Indian terrain receive annual rainfall below 75 centimeters to 35%? 19. The driest part of India is western Rajasthan. 20. The climate of India is monsoonal. 21. Which areas of Indian subcontinent becomes the area of low pressure in summers? Northwestern India. 22. The coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha have to face which of the following natural calamity? Cyclone. 23. Which receive heavy rainfall in the months of October and November? Coromandel Coast. 24. Which receives rainfall by northeastern monsoon? Tamil Nadu. 25. Where does the heat come in the environment? Radiation. 26. What is the nature of monsoon rain from Guwahati to Chandigarh? Diminishing nature. 27. Which places is the most humid place of India? Mawsynram. 28. The place to receive annual rainfall below 50 centimeters is Leh in Kashmir. 29. Paddy fields of India are located in the areas of annual rainfall 100 centimeters. 30. The fertile land between two rivers is called Doab. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General Studies. Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which is the highest river basin of peninsular India? Krishna. 2. Which is the longest river of peninsular India? Godavari. 3. Which river of India? Geography. Sister question answer 1. Which is the highest river basin of peninsular India? Krishna. 2. Which is the longest river of peninsular India? Godavari. 3. Which river of India is also known as Prita Ganga? Godavari. 4. Which rivers is known as Dakshin Ganga? Godavari. 5. Nasik is located on the banks of which river? Godavari. 6. Which rivers originates out of India? Brahmaputra. 7. Which is the river known as Zangpo in Tibet? Brahmaputra. 8. Point of origin of Indus River is Mount Kailash. 9. Which rivers is beyond the Himalayas? Uttarakhand. 10. Which of the rivers does not originate in Indian territories? Uttarakhand. 11. Which rivers originates beyond Himalaya? Indus. 12. Which river is known as Open Sewer in India? Yamuna. 13. Town located on the confluence of river Bhagirathi and Alaknanda is Devprayag. 14. Where do river Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meet? Devprayag. 15. Where is the confluence of river Alaknanda and Bhagirathi? Devprayag. 16. Which of the following rivers flows from the sediments in India? Ganga. Which of the following rivers flows from the sediments in India? Ganga. 17. Which of the following rivers is famous for changing its path? Kosi. 18. The sorrow of Bihar is Kosi. 19. In northeast India, river flows out of the country is Brahmaputra. 20. Which rivers flow from south to north direction? Sun. 21. Which rivers forms estuary? Narmada. 22. Vijayawada is located on the banks of which river? Krishna. 23. Which river flows between Satpura and Vindhya? Narmada. 24. Which rivers flows between Vindhya and Satpura ranges? Narmada. 25. Flow from south to north direction? Sun. 21. Which rivers forms estuary? Narmada. 22. Vijayawada is located on the banks of which river? Krishna. 23. Which river flows between Satpura and Vindhya? Narmada. 24. Which rivers flows between Vindhya and Satpura ranges? Narmada. 25. Surat is located on the banks of which river? Tapti. 26. An important river of Indian desert is Luni. 27. Flash flood is related with which of the following cyclonic storm? 28. Which is an artificial harbour of India? Chennai or Madras. 29. Majuli, world's largest